out of my house. Iche, leave my house. And I don't ever want to see you in my house until you come back with the money. I'm not joking.
S'il vous plaît, calm down. I told you to give me time. Give me time. I'll bring the money for you. Believe me.
What's the time? Iche, what nonsense time are you talking about, Iche? My sister is about to lose admission and you're here telling me about time. No way, Iche. Iche, get out of my house. In fact, I will shout. Iche, I will shout. Hey, shut!
S'il vous plaît now.
Then get out now. What is it? Leave me alone.
Look, it's not yet time for shouting. Please. Look, my children are threatening that they will expose me. They will tell everybody that I am the one who killed your husband. They are threatening. So you know what that means for two of us.
How is that my business? Let them tell everybody that you killed my husband. I will stand with it and I will tell them that you killed my husband. So you better go and look for that money and bring that money here. Yes, I'm not joking. Just go and look for that money, Shame. Go and collect.
Shame on you, Shame. Shame on you. So this is it.
Will you shut up? What has come over you? Sissy, if you don't want to stay in my house, just go back to your father's house. What is it?
Sister, I'm not going anywhere.
Who asked you to speak?
I'm not going anywhere. I've seen it all with my eyes. Ichi, if you don't go and get that money from those your daughters, I will expose you.
Hey.
Bet me.
I'm finished. What will I do now? Threats everywhere from every angle. Top, down, center, middle. Ekema, please, Biko. Please.
Iche, Ekezinam. You've heard that. Just go and get the money, Iche. Iche, I will expose you myself. I will expose you. In fact, I will tell everybody that you killed my husband so that you'll be sleeping with me. Yes! I will expose you.
Hey.
Iche, get Roman and one and more. Go and look for that money.
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Amara, you don't need to panic. You don't need to. I think I know why you are here. Amara. Brother, oh, come. Your wife is here. Oh. Your wife.
Yeah. What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Ona?
Amy, please. Don't do this to me. Emeka, this wasn't the love you promised me. You promised me.
Hello.
Hi. Emeka, Biko.
Please, leave here. Go and tell your brother what I said. I want him to come and fight me. Do you understand? When he was there supporting Mike, not to marry my sister. So go and tell him the same thing. He cannot spoil my container. And he wants his own container to be sold. If I say my container, he will say his own. If I did not say my own, he will not say his own. So better leave this place because on my do you understand? What got to go my container half? Look at her. Let the customs use our containers.
Amara, what are you doing here? Come on, get us. I said get out of here. Ijoma, this thing you're doing is not fair. It's not fair. It's not fair. This evil you're supporting, you know you're a woman like me. This evil you're supporting is not fair. Or you will get pregnant one day. You know you're a woman like me. So when your brother joined Mike to beat my brother, were you a man?
No, man.
Amara, were you a man? Come on, leave this place now. Can you imagine, brother? Makachuku, I did not support my brother. Cha. I did not support him. I even broke my brother's head because of Emeka.
Broker.
You broke your brother's head? You're a liar. See, Amara, by the time I spell your name, you're out of this compound. Because we are all not in a good mood.
Yes.
Give me your slippers. Oh yeah? Come on, leave here. Nonsense. Can you imagine this girl? Brother, can you imagine this girl?
Don't mind her. I have told them.
Take your slippers.
I have told them. It will not going to happen. I'm not going to marry you. Since your brother has bribed the custom officers to remove goods from my goods, your own, they will not sell it.
Hey, brother, I'm not good so. Every time you start be calling me, I'm not good.
Then you will come. If you are not a container, you will come. Look at you.
But I'm not content now.
Then you will come.
I'm not going anywhere. Every time you start be calling me container, do I look like a product to you? I said live here.
If you are not a product, you are services.
Live here, come on. My name is Oyin. Don't call me container again. Am I a product? Come on, live here, my friend.
You are not a product. You are good.
See the small ways that you open. Me that have big ways I've not opened. See you smallie. Is that there, but that is not calling me container. My name is not container. Every time, but that be calling me container.
I did not know. Come so. Did I not warn you? Come so, listen to your mother. Odero. Open your eyes, Odero. Look at him. He brought a wife. Go sigi. Edi more ye made Ramon no if I'll be a guy today. How can? Listen to your mother for once. No. He brought one, brought two. This is the third one. You are not even in the line. Just listen to your mother. You refuse. It's only to go and fetch water for the mother. Fetch water, fetch firewood. Do this, do that. But do anything for your mother. You could not. Go and get ready and go to work. Go and take your shower. Take your shower and go to work.
Mama beg, leave me alone. Na me they do. I dey very, very okay. Leave am like that for me. I no beg you for anything. As for work, I know they go work.
You don't want go work. I know won't go. I'm a kuro maybe so where you tie out. Ibe you agula come out where
go tell this girl say make she write for.
Go tell her not be the same ego you say is not your friend. Is it not the same ego?
Not be your mouth, I dey talk am.
It's my mouth. It's my mouth. Oh. I can be Negi no na ni fife ni ndi we no do na no nworo ka efia. Listen to your mother for once. Listen. Na jabra jabulu jagbe akwoge.
Hi. Which kind of catastrophic, disastrous situation that I've put myself? How can I raise the money for a Kemma and a sister? The other alternative is for me to retrieve that money from my children. How? How will I do that? Hey! Nduka. You are in trouble this time. Real trouble.
Greetings, sir.
What will I do now? Do not fire down your mouth! It's greeted by force. Qu'est-ce que c'est? You see me wallowing in the problem that I caused for myself here. You are here disturbing with useless greetings. Eh?
Sorry, sir. But me, I have a bigger problem. A very big problem. And this one, you caused it yourself. But the problem I have, Emeka, your son, caused it. Nai, I want to tell you something. I am pregnant for your son, Emeka. I am pregnant too. I'll carry your grandchild.
If you don't put that your mouth in the permanent position of fool, I will place a curse on you, that will follow you and your generation. Generations to come. Ah, what is this? If you know where you have your bath, go and look for your clothes there now. I don't have a son again. In fact, I have disowned him. I have disowned him.
Nai, you cannot disown Emeka. Wait until we get married. Then you can disown us together. Emeka has denied this pregnancy and my brother wants to kill me. Nai, my brother will kill me.
Why don't you just die? Look, if I hear anything from your mouth, why am I even talking to this nincompoop? Scallywag. Look, let me see you near my house. If you come to my house here, I will put a load that is so heavy that you will be compressed. Are you hearing me? Don't come near my house, oh. Fool. Nincompoop.
Nah, you have to do something, no. You have to do something, nah.
Where will you get that from here? I'm not fear.
Nah, you tell Emeka to marry me.
No, marry me.
Nah, Tuka.
Mali champ. My all. See, my mom said you look like us. Didn't I tell you?
Yes. So you're trying to say I'm beautiful.
Of course, you're beautiful. Very beautiful. Beautiful with a lovely character.
Love one tente. Mama, food is ready.
Oh, Mama, please serve us. I'm really hungry, please.
Ella, I want you to go and dish the food. Let me see how you're going to serve your husband. Why you for an
That would be nice.
Meaning what? So I don't understand. If I'm not around, you won't serve your son food again. Is that what you're trying to tell me?
What did I say wrong? Is that the part of welcoming you to the house?
I said you should serve me food.
Oh, please. Mama, so I should serve the food. What are you trying to say? If you are a feeding bottom man, tell me. What do you mean by that? I should come and start serving your son food. I will talk to your house help. How? This woman, you are very wicked.
Okay, I didn't say again. I am sorry.
Are you normal? Because you were okay just now. We're playing love. What happened?
So you are supporting your mother? So you did not tell me that you're a weakling. Can you imagine? You want your mother to turn me to a house help? Me, Ella, slave queen like me, to come and start saving. No wonder you brought me from the city to turn me to a house help. God forbid, you are a witch.
No. The one I will take is calling my mother a witch.
Don't call my mother a witch. Don't call my mother a witch. Are you mad?
She is a witch because she's very wicked. She wants to turn me to a house help. You know that I cannot do it now. You know in the city I don't even serve food in my father's house. Hey. Ella.
Wait, Ego. Like I said, Ego, you don't have anything to worry about. As far as I'm concerned, your days of suffering are over.
Thank you so much. But I honestly do not have any answer.
Nurse Ego, please just try. Biko, try.
Promise I'll get back to you.
Okay, no problem.
My regards to you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Wait. Have this.
This one.
Yes.
We have to go now. I'll talk to you.
Alright, bye.
Start going. Also.
Wait, I will go. This is what you want, right? That is it. Leave me. No,
Tell you, I'm a lucky man.
Put on me Messi Konyala. Put on me Messi Konyala. Isi nife mwewa waka o. Kobu madu
You mad? Why am I always meeting mad people? Why?
What is my offense? What did I do wrong? Why is all this happening to me? Getting family.
Mama, it's okay. It's okay. This girl was just normal. She was just normal some minutes back. Oh no, she's a mad person.
Ozugo.
She's not only mad, but a heavy mad girl. Ozugo, let me repack the car. I'm coming back. Stop crying now. This is not the end of the road.
Put on me Messi Konyala. Put on me Messi Konyala. Isi nife mwewa waka o. Kobu madu menu ya o. Kini ne Messi mwani.
My sister, that is it. Help me thank God. As we speak right now, he has asked me to marry him so we can move down to Canada together.
Hey! You no be better person. Ego, you no be better person at all. You dey wicked. Now you don't dawn on me say you no be better person. You no be better person. Hey!
Kamso. What did you just say now? How?
Make my name no come off for that your mouth again. No wahala. You don't do your own, abi? No wahala. But me, I go deal with you. I go catch you for one corner. I go do you waiting they do betrayers. Now waiting I go do you. See I say
me. Kamso me.
No. What did I do wrong? How? You dey ask me that stupid question. I don't tell you say make my name no come off for your mouth. No, but wait. Why is it always difficult for you to understand a simple thing? Why? No, they call my name. I go once you better slap now. You go hear am. No, they call my name. Anyway, I been come here make I tell you say make you help me sign tonight. Say I no go come work. But as e be now, my sister, your nurse work carry am dey go. I no want to do nurse work again because you know be one day you go give me poison. Make you carry your nurse work with your useless doctor dey go. I no do again. But bet me, we go see. Bet me, I got. Hey! You no be better person. You no be better person. You no be better person. You are very, very wicked.
Comes on me.
Chop this money, but it go choke you. This money go choke you. I tell you. Hey! Come so. How did I offend this woman now? What did I do wrong, please? God. I'm going to more. Come so.
Chai. God. Are you saying my son will not get married again? That he's not going to find a wife or what? Can you even muzzle it? Me, I want my own grandchildren. No? I want to have my own grandchildren.
Don't worry. I will get married. Not even I will, I must get married. Okay? Don't worry. You will have your own grandchildren.
Amen.
Usugo, anyone tormenting my marriage plans in this village or anywhere must die by fire.
Amen.
Must die by fire.
Amen. But I'm saying let us go and see the priest because this is no longer ordinary. Kaigafu father, Biko. Okamano. Delay is dangerous. See him.
Mama.
Before.
I think I know where this is coming from.
What?
Yes.
Where did you find out anything? Did you notice anything?
I'm suspecting Uncle. You know why? The last time I came to this village, I met him on my way. So he asked me of Evelyn. I explained everything to him. I mean, what I've been passing through and how things didn't work out for us. Instead of him to feel for me, he started laughing. I swear that I'm yet to see difficulties that when he's done with me in this village, that I will know that he's made of rock, that he would deal with me, that I will never see good thing. I just laughed.
Hey! Who's on? And you never told me.
Because I felt it's just a mere threat, but right now everything is coming back to me. Everything is clear to me now. Uncle is the cause of my problems.
Hey! Hey! Uzana, you never told me. I've always known it. I knew it! This has been Nduka's plan. You know, he never meant well for me and you. He hated your father and has transferred that hatred to you. Amen.
Today now, I'm going to meet him. Let me face him man to man.
Hey! Hey! I say, but I'm gonna dim. Manega.
I don't know what came over me. I don't just know why I started misbehaving. Like, what happened to you? Hey, so I don't know now if I go back there now, will he accept me back? No, he's going to beat me. The way he threw me out is something else. Oh, don't mind. What did I just get myself into? What came over me? I just started insulting the poor woman that did not even do anything to me. Hey, all of a sudden my body was just paining me. Well, no problem. Let me just... Ella, what happened to you? Why did I just misbehave like this? I didn't even know what came over me.
Hey! No, Ego, you are enjoying. You are lucky.
It's the gift God gave me, my surprise package.
Yay! Hold this. Hey, what did you say that stupid, frustrated nurse said?
Why did you remind me of her now? No, why? Listen, as far as I'm concerned, I don't want to be talking about that devil again. I don't want our paths will never ever cross in this life again. She thinks she's smart, okay? She thinks she's a mad person. I am ready to give it to her, fire for fire. So after everything I did for her, that she's a nurse today is because of me. All she could use to pay me back is to go about accusing me of betraying her. How did I betray her? How?
But why is she like that? Are you the one that asked her to misbehave to Kingsley?
John, or am I married to Kingsley?
I wonder, Chukwam.
You see that woman, whatever she's looking for, I'll give it to her in this village. It's not longer that time that I used to keep quiet for her. No.
Nebiko,
I'm coming.
Let's go to work. We are running late already. Forget scams. Very stupid girl. Very envious. I've never seen.
She's looking for where to pour her frustration. It's not on me. I did not do her.
Papa, it's obvious to me now that you're a heartless man. You check out all at all. And for that fact, you see this house, all of us will leave. I will lead the mass protest of my sisters and I. We are going to leave this house for you. In fact, tomorrow you will see. If we don't leave this house, we are going to deal with you. It's wicked.
Emeka, qu'est-ce que c'est now? Eh? What is this? Do you want to kill me? Eh? Look, you are a man now. Eh? I expect you to have calmed down your younger ones. Look, this money we are talking about, I mean the money in question, I borrowed it for a Kemma. Yes, I borrowed it.
Papa, are you still lying? Papa, you don't want to say this.
Major, Papa, you are lying.
So this is it, eh?
No, Uncle, this is it. Eh? Everything is clear to me right now. So this is what you meant by, I'm going to come back to beg you. Eh? Uncle, why are you this wicked? Why are you heartless, for crying out loud? Why? What have I done to you?
Uzona, qu'est-ce que c'est now? What is this?
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Why are you bashing in on us like this? You see me having a discussion with my family. We have a problem I'm trying to solve, and you are bringing you are using your reggae to spell our blues here. Just get out from here before I walk out of my compound.
How is that my business? How is that my business? You're chasing me out of your compound, eh? No problems. No problems. But after you come to the village square to explain to the elders why you've been using voodoo on different women I want to marry.
Voodoo?
You're asking me as if you don't know.
Moi?
No. Are you acting fin for me? You're pretending. You see this your father. He's a very wicked man. A very wicked man. But I don't have anything to say to you right now. Wicked man. No problem.
Let's get out from here. Non-entity like
Waiting for you.
Scallywag.
Papa.
Just shut up.
Papa, what did he say? Eh?
Are you mad? Didn't you hear him? Oh, pregnancy has removed your brain from your head.
Papa, wait. Is it true? Papa, is it true that you have been the one behind all the calamities of him bringing women? He will bring this one, that girl will go. You bring another one, that girl will go. Papa, are you the one? Hey. Papa, in a go. So, Papa, in a go. No wonder. That means you are the one behind this repast at court. You are the one that used juju to cut it. Papa, I don't trust you. Papa, in a go. Papa, in a go.
My problem now is that money.
Hey!
That money. I borrowed the money for a woman.
Papa, why you go say pass at the moment? Orogu me say pass. Hey! My father.
Come to what is it? Come to again, Akwa, what is it?
Mama, I don't suffer for my life. I don't suffer.
What happened?
Wetin I do, people? Nobody where I help for my life when they pay me back with good thing. They always pay me back with evil. Wetin I do them? Wetin?
Calm down. Calm down. You don't cry like this because of it. Okay, tell me. Is it because of Uzonna?
No be only Uzonna. No be only Uzonna. Everybody who I don't help for my life, they pay me back with good. Who I offend? Who I just offend?
It's okay. Ooh. Don't worry. Just calm down. God will give you your own person. Oh?
Mama, I no gree. I no gree. I must marry Uzonna. Wetin be all this? After all this suffer, what I suffer for him? Make another person go dey chop all the suffer, what I suffer. I no go gree. All the things I don't do for Uzonna for my life, make it just leave me like that. I no go gree. I no go die alive for another woman marry her. I must marry Uzonna.
Chimo,
I must marry him.
Come back, oh. It's not a must that Uzonna will marry you. It's not a must. Eh? My daughter said it very well. Inanyanupo said it well. Figure very well. Inekwenye said it. So go me fefacho. My daughter is very okay. Uzonna. Make sure you don't do anything to yourself, oh. Oh.
Uzonna. If you think you can accuse me of any frivolous offense, This time you veered off tangent. You veered off tangent because I'm waiting anyway. I'm waiting.
Hey, Papa. Papa. How could you do a thing like that? Eh? That was so unfair, Papa. How could you? Hey!
How could I? Look, don't let me place a curse on you. If you open down your buccal cavity and vomit or regurgitate anything from it again, you will see what I'll do. I will curse you.
Papa, this
Nonsense!
Is no matter of course. This is no matter of course. Eh? Have you forgotten that you told us that you are going to deal with that boy? Because he was ignoring you. He's not taking care of you. He's not seeing you as his uncle. You say you are going to deal with him. So, this is it. Eh? How could you go to that extent? I'm still talking. I don't need to talk of myself as again that you used to do the call. So this is it. In a wagon.
Emeka, you are a fool. Nikon. Scallywag. That's what you are. Scallywag. I'm not saying Woka. That's concern. What is it? What is it? I'm here with my family. You are shouting my name right now. What is it?
Ndoka, so this is it.
This is what?
Huh? The truth has finally come out.
Truth? What truth are you talking about?
Ndoka, you are going to appear at the village square this evening to explain to us why you killed Zube, my brother, and took over his wife.
Emwa?
Yes! Yes! And this time, if you fail to come, you will see what will happen to you. The whole village is ready, is prepared, waiting for you. If you fail to come, you will hear me. I am telling you, you will hear me.
What will you do? What?
Papa!
What is it?
Papa, what? Hey, Papa!
I'm happy we have found out where our problem is coming from. Eh? Now that you are taking care of it, I believe it is over. Oh, just calm down. Hmm?
You see that man? I will never forgive that man. That man dealt with my future. I will make sure that he's been banished from this land, even if it requires spending my last money. Mwa komelifa, mwa bumado. Okay, so bad.
Ndoka hadro nambalo.
I know what to do.
Odro nambalo. But relax. Since you have dealt with this matter from the root, you will find a girl that will stay with you. Look at how fine you are. I wouldn't even control. By now, this house would have been filled with women. But don't worry. The one that will love you and stay with you will soon come. Oh, trust me. It's Yoku.
Mama, I've been thinking recently about Kamso.
What about her?
Don't worry. Let me see her first. We'll talk about that later.
For what? Tell me now. I want to know why. I know. Tell me.
Mama, don't worry. Till I see her. When I return, we'll discuss about her.
It's all right. But if I had known, I would have asked you to marry that Kamso since. Just that the way she behaves. She's too a cake. Come on, by one day. Girl is too local.
That's a character. You can't change it. Let me go and see her.
Careful, drive wire. Check it there.
Rose, after pleading with you not to tell anyone, you still went and discussed that with people. Rose, I will deal with you.
Sister, I never discussed with anyone. I don't know where Mazi got to hear the news from.
Will you shut up your mouth? Henceforth, you cease to be my blood sister. I don't want to have anything to do with you. And let me tell you, and whoever that cares to listen, that Mazi Nduka does not have hand in my husband's death.
How do I know? How do I know? But sister, you messed up. You messed up. Even if you needed a man that would raise your kids, not that old man. A young woman like you.
Rose, did you give me any young man? Rose, did you give me? Did you?
Did you give me any? Did you give me any milk?
Where will I look for this girl? Let it not be she's gone to fight Ozon now.
Kamso.
Ozon now. Where's Kamso? Where is my daughter?
Mama, I'm here to see Kamso. Is she not in?
Stop pretending. Please tell me where my daughter is.
Mama, if I'm with Kamso, will I be here looking for her? Maybe she went to the clinic if she's not home.
Which clinic? Which clinic?
Where she works now.
Hey, where will I look for this girl? Kamso. Eh? Let her not kill herself. Oh.
Is there any problem? You sound...
Why wouldn't there be problem? Tell me. Why wouldn't there be problem? You are the problem.
Me?
Yes. Tell me the reason you be loving women, bringing different women, without believing that my daughter is a woman. She does everything, virtually everything for you. But you see her like a sister. When you know very well that she loves you so much. What is it? Can
you say that? Of course you know me bringing different women had nothing to do with me.
But what? No, but what?
Mama, is a problem surrounding those women. How can you be saying that to me now? You know my predicament.
I don't know. Where is Kamso?
Well, let me go to the clinic to look for her. Maybe she's there.
Wait, since you mean you don't know where she is, wait for me. We need to go together.
Has it been long she left?
Yes. Let's go.
Please, I'm sorry. Je suis désolé. S'il vous plaît. I didn't mean to abandon you all. That's the truth. Emeka, please. Let's go inside so that we can discuss. S'il vous plaît.
Papa. Papa, how many times did I call you? Papa, the mumu don't do. Papa, you have fooled us enough now, eh? Papa, I better just go and answer them. Go and answer them. Mama, calm down. Calm down for what?
Papa, he wants us now French. So stop speaking French now.
Sister, he must go. He must go. I will hold you slap now.
Papa, follow them. Carry him.
Listen, we are here for you. Move it now. Let's go, sir. Let's go, sir.
Move it. Shut up your mouth. Don't say. Shut up. Mind your word. Let me not hear Pimo. Let me not hear Pim. I can't imagine this one.
Kamso. Kamso. Kamso! Kamso, please don't do this to yourself. Where are you? Kamso! 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 Kamso!
Kamso.
It's okay.
Kamso, please don't do this to me, Bikonu.
Mama, don't worry. Nothing will happen to her, okay? Let me rush and mobilize some boys to look for her and also carry my car, okay? I'll be back now.
Hey.
Don't be worried, I promise. Okay. I'll be right back.
Trust me. Trust me. It's just being funny. Eh? Kamso!
Just wait. Let me rush and bring the car.
Kamso! Kamso!
Kamso, how we go? Take this.
Nani, sure say this thing go work. Because I don't vex. I don't tire. I don't suffer for my life. People don't do me something. I won't marry Uzonna, make I rest. I won't marry him. I love him.
Are you still doubting it? Look at this mirror. Look at these 3 mirrors. These are the 3 marriages both of us have crashed for him. Listen. You and I know that we want one thing together, in common.
Yes.
We want to marry Uzonna. I want Nduka to be accused and banished. And it all is happening now.
No problem, Nai. But I dey fear. I dey fear. You know, say now you dey push me, they do all these things. I not to get mind, they do them. You they push me, they do. If anything come out, I go call your name.
Nothing will come out. Nothing will come out. Just take this thing. Put this thing in any part of your body. Go and hold Uzonna, and everything will be settled.
I go do him. I go do him. I go do him. Because I won't marry Uzonna. I don't suffer for Uzonna. Where? I don't go just there. Another woman go come carry waiting. I don't suffer over the years. You know go walk.
Uzonna is yours. Uzonna is already yours. I will now go to the village square where Nduka will be banished.
Sending me to give people injection. Oh, not be my work. My work government. So whether you like or you don't like, you must collect. Everybody listen better not, so don't come again. No, my job.
I don't know how I did it.
Babe, I can't believe you did what you just told me now.
I don't know what came over me. I don't know why I behaved like that back then. And to crown it all, Zona is not picking my calls.
Babe, are you for real? How on earth do you expect him to pick your call? Babe, no man in his right sense is going to marry you. They'll think you are possessed or something. Even his mother too.
I don't know why I behaved like that back there. Seriously. Juliet, you know you're my friend. I am not possessed. I am not.
I know. And that's why I'm still talking to you. Oh babe, you see that marriage? It's gone. Forget it. It's gone.
What will I say to my parents? What will I tell them?
I don't understand. Tell them what happened now. That's all.
Hello. Ella, you finished yourself. I just used my own things to ruin my relationship.
Why would you run away from our house? We furniture. Eh?
I just don't know, Mama. I just don't know. Truth be told, I'm beginning to love Kamso, Mama. Seriously.
What?
Yes. I keep thinking about her lately.
I don't want us to argue about this now. Right now, I'm going to go to Village Square. Let us leave Kamsi's issue right now. Besides, to know where our problem is coming from. It's not Kamso, so let's not talk about her. When we come back, we can face it.
Come on, Mama, but you've always wanted to carry your grandchildren. Is that not what you want?
I didn't say you should go and marry Kamso. Let's not talk about her now.
Yeah.
What? What is this?
Is this not charm?
No be so. Mama, no vex. Abeg, I'll go stay and give you. Abeg.
Kamso, you want to bring a charm for me?
No, I no fit charm you now. No charm you.
Even you?
Abeg. I go tell you as it take happen. I go tell you everything wey happen. I go tell you as it take happen. Don't be my fault. No vex.
Mama, you're very strong.
Mama, I strong. And I know say I strong. No views on I will not get strength at all.
Says you.
You know get strength.
Please leave this one. Go to win a city. Has finished everything in the city.
Mama, don't say that. What's the meaning of that now? Is it not me that is here cutting this?
Sorry. Cut.
Don't say that.
So walk here,
Mama, in fact, I'm not working again.
You must walk am.
No.
You must walk am. You must walk am. You must walk am. See, me wey be woman, I get strength. They cultivate all these things. What you don't do? No be only this small thing. Now you just start. Do am. Mama, you.
But it's not be me clear this place. Come see clear here.
Go ahead. Oh, you see.
Man, no.
I know the one. In fact, I don't tire.
Man, no be for mouth. You go do am.
But me, I don't tire. Fine.
They do am.
They me somehow.
I say they do am. Sorry. You go do am.
I know they know when person tire.
Sorry. Do am. You be man. Make you help me. My friend, he dey vomit blood for farm. I beg, may we carry this your barrow, take and go hospital.
Where?
For farm, I beg.
Oh yeah, go show me. Go show me.
I beg, come help us. He fall for farm. Come dey bleed, see mouth.
The doctor is in the hospital. You can rush him there now.
He don't dey call for. I beg, no. I beg, make you come help me. I beg. Shebi na the same hospital. Make we dey go.
I'm going for immunization now.
You dey go waiting?
I'm going for immunization.
Come help us. Make we go hospital. Say they go Imuna. Give me this thing. Why you dey do like this? Why you dey do like this? Person dey die. You dey say you dey go Imuna. Make we dey go, please. I beg. Make we dey go. Make we dey go. Hold on, mama. Hold on. Hold on, I beg. I beg, no die, oh. Mama, I beg. I need your help.
What is it?
I don't know what they do my Ozo.
What happened to Zonna?
He fall for farm, and so we can't carry him go hospital. As we reach there, they say we go bring 50,000 naira before they go touch him.
Wait, so where do you expect me to get the 50,000 naira?
Mama, if you do this thing for me now, that money where you they keep, that meeting money, if you from there borrow me.
That's the money now. We are going to give it to somebody, and that's what I'm trying to do now. It's for somebody.
Mama, you need to save me life.
No, it's for this one. Is for somebody.
Mama, make I carry you money go abeg. Make I save life.
Come this girl. Come here. Bring that money, oh.
Mama, you don't do. I understand how you dey feel now. But I dey tell you, say nothing go happen to Ozonna. Na me dey tell you, nothing go do am. Oh, the devil no go succeed for this matter. I beg, no cry.
Thank you. Darling, Mom, God bless you. Counsel, what would I have done without you?
Mama, nothing. No dey cry. Me no go there alive. Make something happen to Ozonna.
The doctor wants to see you people in his office now.
I hope say nothing do Ozonna. I hope say he's still there alive.
He's still under treatment. He'll be needing 3 pints of blood.
Hey, 3 pints?
Okay, no problem. May they check my own blood. If my own blood dey okay, may they take even 10 pounds. May they even 1 tanker, no problem. Have me rubber, no problem. I'm okay.
No problem. You guys
let's go.
stay quiet. That.
See this one. Hey. Thank your God say you don't even try am. So you won't leave me for this life, come out. The speed where I go take jump and follow you. Ha! I go just scatter the place. If na heaven, I go scatter am.
You.
I don't say no go hell. I go scatter and follow you. Don't try am o.
But which must way when you scatter the heaven? I want to ask again. Now this your must, this one. I be remain another one for us.
This one.
No be this one.
This one.
No be this one. You want
Na
you scatter.
this one.
This girl.
Na this one.
Anyway, Sha. You see, thank you for saving my life. Eh? God will bless you.
Bless you too.
Na correct person.
Na we win na.
Na we win. Na family now. Na we win.
Kamsi, thank you for saving my son. Honestly, I envy the man that will marry you.
Yes, so.
The man Gerika boss.
Okay, Leo. I dey jealous the man will go marry you.
It's
the
you.
man will enjoy. Like, enjoy go boku for the man. Everywhere soft.
I don't understand though. Which kind of talk with that?
Man go enjoy, Sha.
Which kind of talk with that now? Because me, I don't understand. The only husband I want to know for my life, they here.
So wait.
They here. My husband is...
Kamsu. When will you stop this your husband stuff? Besides, Uzonna here will not marry you. He is like a brother to you. He has gone to the city. He can't marry a local girl like you. He is not your class.
Mama, why your class?
No be like that, Mama. No be like that. No be my blood brother. Why I no go fit marry him?
Wait, Kamso. Mama, no be even about locality. Say I grow for you and they'll grow for you. No be even about that. Kamso, wait till I try to tell you to say you are like a sister to me.
Oh.
And as I dey here, so wait till I think now how things go better for you. You get, you see this nurse job where you want to start now. As a brother, I go make sure say I fight. Make you for do that nurse, even travel abroad. Because if you travel go America like this,
me and you.
Now that place, money day. All these people they do nurse when they shoot the injection. Now where money day. So now wait till I want to be about husband and wife. Stop about that. Never.
That was you won't tell me say I'm not rich.
Don't be say you don't reach to marry me. Now say you know fit marry your brother. Because we've come a long way now. Now family love now.
I don't understand this brother. No be same mama bonus, no be same papa bonus. We no be same from the same clan. Which one be brother? You no be my brother. Don't talk that thing. Maybe we enter inside this room and we know whether you're my brother. You're not my brother.
My fellow women, please. No. Don't do this to me.
No, we are taking this back to Igwe.
Mama, what's in the apple? Why they carry your bag?
What is happening is that they've seized my bag. They seized my box because of you. When is Uzonna and the mother, when are they bringing my money? When are they bringing the meeting money? They seized this bag because of it. What have I done to you?
Now you mean they seize the bag?
Yes.
I beg, man, go beg them.
Beg them how?
I beg, no best. Not be my fault. I beg.
You're going to get a charm for me.
No. Naichi because I do on my own. Now the man they push me. I tell him say I love you. True, I love you from my heart. He can't want use and deal with me. He can't tell me say he won't get back on Ichenduka. Say Ichenduka go collect a came out from him. They push me. I tell him say I don't want to. They push me. Say he will make everything better for me. Say he go make all your marriage scatter so that you for marry me. He can't give me this charm. He can't say if I hug you, say the love go enter your body, you go begin love me back.
Ibe. Ibe.
I mean, no one do am. I know they do charm, I know sabi do. Because love, I can't see Because I love like to me. I love you, Zonna. I love they do me. I beg you. I don't want to stay, make another woman marry you. You know I don't suffer for you. I don't do plenty things for you. I dey dream you. I dey dream you for my dream. I beg, don't leave me. Mama, I beg, If you need me, I go die, yo. I go die.
Please, let's try and forgive Papa. I know he was wrong. Let's try and forgive him. And see if we can go there and know how things are going there.
Brother, I beg. Brother, please, allow that man to suffer his crime alone. Allow him to suffer his crime alone.
Ijoma. But your heart is too strong.
Meaning what?
Calm down now. He's still our father. Please, let's try and forgive him.
Yes. Forgive him, right? Yes. Okay, how do you want us to be seen in this community? After all Papa has done. How?
Sister, it's okay.
It's not okay, oh. It's not okay.
Hey, Joma. Papa is still our father. Oh. Even if the whole village abandons him, we cannot abandon him. Who will be our father if he's no more? I don't like the way you're sounding. I don't like it.
Okay. So Ijoma is the witch, Abi? I'm not the witch in the family. No problem. You people can go and meet the elders and beg them. But for me, Ijoma, I'm not going. Bye-bye. Sister. Bye-bye.
Why won't you follow us?
I'm not going.
Are you serious?
Tell us the truth. We have no option than to banish him.
Yes, he must be banished. He must be banished. We don't have to wait for him to lie to us. Ibe told me everything.
Hey,
yes.
please, Iche Iwoko, Mazi, please, people should not banish him. He's innocent.
Why?
I swear he's innocent.
Will you get out of our way? Do you think we don't know that both of you connive and killed Nzube? And we are here to defend him.
It's not true. It's not true. Okay. Iche, let me tell you the truth.
Tell us the truth. Tell us the truth.
Do you know that my husband killed himself? Yes. When he tried to attack me and he hit his head on. Ishe, take it easy.
Oh yeah. Put it.
Alright. Ishe, just take it easy now. Take it easy.
It has entered.
Yeah, harder now. Harder. Just push it. It has not entered. Just push it.
Sorry.
Ishe, it has entered. But you've injured me, my leg.
Sorry.
Oh.
Can you see that I do it better than your husband?
But you want to injure me?
Sorry now.
Sorry.
Ishe,
Thank you.
Ishe, you are happy now?
Yes, I'm happy. Look at the way you're sweating.
Now, the work now.
Thank you. Honey, welcome.
Uzube, welcome. You both should keep your greetings. Ekema! This is what you are doing, Ekema. Uzube, what is it?
Do how?
Ekema, today I'm going to kill you.
Look, shut up! Honey, what is it?
Ekema, today I'm going to kill you.
Honey, Ishe! Hey, Ishe, help me! Ishe, my husband! Ishe, listen, Ishe, help me! Uzube, honey! Hey! I didn't do anything. Uzube, honey, look at me! I didn't do anything. Check! Honey! Uzube! Hey! Chime won't let go. Ishe, that was what happened. Yes. Please, he's innocent.
Why didn't you tell us all these things all this while?
I was scared. Iche, please, you should not banish him. He's innocent. I swear he's innocent.
Mazi, we should go to village square. Let's go to the village square. Yes.
Okay.
Please, you should not banish him. Iche, please.
Let's go to the village square.
Mazi, I'm not lying, no.
We'll get to the village square. Whatever we see there now.
Yes.
Okay. I should follow. Mazi, I will follow you. I will follow you.
What are we going to call this? Honestly, I don't know. Both my daughters are home. The
This is not ordinary. Obaraka.
So, how do you mean?
My sister, we will have to find the cause of this. Because this was how my son and I were suffering, not knowing that the woman my son was supposed to marry was behind it all.
Kamso?
Yes. She confessed to us.
This is really bad. But my daughters have not done anything to anyone.
My sister, this is not for nothing. It's not for nothing. I will not stand by and watch my brother's daughters suffer like this. Because my son's experience opened my eyes. I will surely do something. Just calm down, relax yourself, oh?
Hi, my friendship. So very soon you will leave me in this village.
My sister, what do you want me to do now? Life is turn by turn.
Hi.
It's my turn now. I know it will soon be your turn.
Amen. Oh, see how you're shining. See your phone. See your ring. Hey, Omalicha ring guy. See how your ring is shining. Your guy is rich, oh. Ojikwego.
My love is even coming today to take me to his people. Child, I'm waiting for him. Yeah. I heard Uzonna is getting married to Kamso soon.
That one. Better for her. Oh. Before she will kill herself, who could have believed that she was behind the issue Uzonna was having with those girls? My sister, it's better he marries her because we don't know what next she will do. Better for them.
I'm happy for her, Sha. One thing I know is that she truly loves Uzonna. Yes. It's better he marries her. She has tried for him.
I wish them well, oh. But my friend, see how you're shining. This your hair, you drop it for me before you go to your Obodo Igbo. When you get there now, you're already looking like Oibo. You will not get there and you start looking like Americana. And you forget me. Don't forget me, your friend.
Me forget you.
Ogo, Jane, I was about going to your house. Aruneme. Hey.
Nne, what happened? Or are you trying to replace Nkem the village gossip?
Hey, not at all. Nkem's marriage is over. She's about to go blind.
What? But today is supposed to be her traditional marriage.
Exactly. Marriage ni. As I'm talking to you right now, Nkem is about to go blind. She said I should come and call the both of you. That she has a confession to make. You people should follow me now. Come now.
Emeka, my son, I am very happy. In fact, I thank God, mon Dieu, that you are going to the city. As you are going, all the stubbornness you have here, drop them. Be careful when you get there. Uzonna, my son, has promised me that he will take good care of you. Enugo?
Papa, there's nothing to worry about. Once I go to the city, I'm going to blow.
Amen.
I'm happy now that last everybody is okay. We are good. And Ijoma is there in school. After Ijoma, after her, that's what you. After her, get on wagon. So, three of you should take care of Papa. Papa is now born again. No more poulez-vous panya. Milare otonyo.
Brother, we will, but I should be the one to be taken care of.
Oh, Maka,
Oh, don't worry. But I will all take care of each other. We'll take care of Papa, we'll take care of Oni. We'll start business with the money Uzonna give to us. So don't worry, we'll be fine. So you two will let them take care of yourself and make us proud.
Très bien, très bien.
Merci
beaucoup, ma children.
Merci, Papa.
I can't believe it. To think that it is Nkem behind all this.
I started suspecting her since she started telling me everything that has been happening in my life. Telling me that she heard it from her information center.
Chai. Mama, why did she do this to us? Now Onyeka is gone. What did she gain?
I don't know, my daughter. But the good thing is that God never sleeps. Her own marriage has packed up. On occasion, Mama. Onyan. Hi.
Mama, I have to beg my husband again. I have to beg him to see if he will forgive me.
Is that not what I've been telling you? Go and beg. Keep begging. Eh?
Mama?
Ogini.
Mama?
Ogini.
My husband is calling.
Your husband?
Yes, Mama.
Pick it. Pick it.
Hello?
Listen, if I'm fine. Answer. Yes, yes, you're fine.
I'm fine. Mama is here with me.
I am well. I'm fine too.
Yes, Mama.
Can you hear me?
Ogo. She's fine. She's fine.
Ogom, I'm fine. Ogo.
Jane too. She's fine. Hey.
Yes.
Okay.
This life.
Mama. Nnem. Kamso.
Mama.
Nnem, I'm so happy for you, one. Look at you.
Mama, you say you dey happy. Now me dey happy pass. This my husband. I love him. You know, I fit do anything for her. Upon say I be illiterate, I no sabi anything. He still carry me, dey go everywhere. He dey go cinema, go watch film. Carry me go chop pizza. We go chop shawarma. We go lick ice cream. You see this man wey dey here? See this man Oyibo Pepe. I go die for him matter. I go die for your matter.
Oh? And I'll die for you more and more. Mama, you see, this life has taught me a very simple thing. Sometimes what we seek for outside might be close to us. I won't get to find out.
Very close.
Just negodi.
I did.
Negodo malecham.
Oh.
Ihenna chonu kenu. Come here, baby.
Husband of mine.
You made the right. Hey, come so Mama. You made the right and everlasting choice.
Yes, Mama.
So go and enjoy your life. Oh, Mama.
Thank you, Mama.
You have to start going.
Yes.
That's true.
Yes.
You have to run along. Nabia.
Oh? You're no longer being
my international.
You are now city wife.
Oh, God.
No
foreign
more
places.
No more Imuna.
No
more Imuna.
No more. Trump. When we get there, I'll call you.
No problem.
So we'll be expecting you to come for more anytime soon. Huh?
And I will.
Jane, you have to take a hold of yourself. It's not the end of the world.
Mama, how can I cheer up when my own marriage didn't work out again because of what Nkem said?
Forget about Nkem. Nkem is blind now. She has already paid for her sins. Just know that I'm sure if you pray, God will send you someone better than Onyeka.
Mama, I don't want another man. I want Onyeka.
But Onyeka is not available. Eh? Are you going to sit in the house and brood over Onyeka? You just have to keep praying that God will bring someone else. Biko.
How are you?
You're welcome.
All right, thank you, Mama.
I'm good. Well, I wasn't good before, but now I am good.
Mama, I am sorry for everything that happened, okay? I'm a changed man now.
No, Biko, I understand. I would like you to forget what I told you.
Mama,
what you said has nothing to do with what happened, okay? Yes, nothing. I'm changed now.
Honey, please, I don't have a problem with that. You can cheat in the morning, cheat in the night, even if you want another wife. Please go and cheat. Let me be the first.
No cheating, no. Marriage is one man, one woman. That's the way it is. Or when Fedika cheating.
You're right, Mama.
Eh?
You're right, Mama.
Hi. Well, now, so when are you coming to your people to do the needful?
Mama, on a woman. You know, for some time now, I've not been with my girls. So as it is now, if you want my parents now, I'll go and bring all of them down here now. Yes, baby, no.
I'll go on now because I need to buy my high heel, do my hair, my nails and everything. So I look good. So a couple of days from now will be perfect.
Whatever you want, Mama. Thank you.
This is immunization. Government is sending me to give people injection. No be my work. Government. So whether you like or you don't like, you must collect. Everybody listen, better not, so don't come again. No. My job na to immunization the whole community. If you get it, koro, immunization. If you get it, keleki, immunization. Everybody must collect the injection. You must collect it. Everybody must collect the injection. You must collect. This is immunization. Government is sending me to give people injection. No be my work. Government. So whether you like or you don't like, you must collect. Everybody listen, better not, so don't come again. No. My job na to immunization the whole community. If you get it, koro, immunization. If you get it, keleki, immunization.